Hi friends, we're going to get ready to do our Friday math. We're going to start out with a number talk, excuse me, called Clue Me In. We did this earlier this week where we'll be looking at a number line and I will read some clues and we're going to see if you can figure out what number it could be. The boy says, read the clues to see what my number could be. All right, I'm going to get a yellow highlighter today. And his first clue is I am between 0 and 10. Well, that means that none of these numbers from 11 all the way to 20 could be his number. I am not the same as 6. I am not the same as 6. That means number 6 is out. I am less than 5. Ooh, smaller than 5. So that means it cannot be number 5, 7, 8, 9, or 10. So it has to be either 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay, I'm going to read you the last clue and see if you can guess what the number is. I am the same as the number of legs 2 birds have altogether. Oh, there's that word altogether that makes us think of addition. I'll read it one more time. I am the same as the number of legs 2 birds have altogether. Well, you know that a bird has 2 legs. But if there's 2 birds, how many legs are you going to have altogether? All right, do you have an idea on what number you think it is? Let's see if you're right. Did you guess 4? You know that 2 plus 2 equals 4. If you got 4, excellent job. Okay, friends, for math today, you are going to need page 307 and 308. 307 has blue and yellow stars. 308 looks like this. On top, you'll also see page number 305, which looks like it has pieces of Cheerios on it. That letter is for your family. It has an idea for a fun game on it to do with different cereal, or you could use pennies or even Lego blocks. Doesn't matter. But it also explains to them what we will be doing for Unit 5 and something that you definitely need to know. All right, this page, 307, really looks like what our nighttime sky project would have looked like with the stars. What our job today too is to write the equation. We're going to be looking at the blue stars and the yellow stars and adding them together. In every group there is 10 because we have 2 rows of 5. So get your pencil ready and we will do some writing together. The first one's done for us. 10 equals 1 blue star plus 9 yellow. Let's try this one. We know that there's how many stars altogether? 10. And then we do equals how many blue stars? Ay, why does that always happen to Mrs. Tierney? I was trying to write a number 2. Plus, oh, this gets hard to do. Plus, how many yellows? 5 and 3 equals 8. Oh! Uh-oh. He doesn't want to like my number 8. Well, you write 2 plus 8 on your paper. We'll see if it works better on my next one. Okay, we're going to start out with the sum. 10 equals how many blue stars? Oh, goodness gracious. Plus How many yellows? 5 and 2. Did you get 7? Look at it, turned my 2 into a Z. Ay, ay, ay. Crazy. Okay, the next one. 10 equals how many blue stars? 4 plus, that leaves us how many yellow stars? 5 and 1. Oh, and look at that. It did it again. It even took my pen away. Oh. So we had 4 plus 6. There we go. Oh, look at this one. They did it straight up and down. We know that there are those 10 stars. How many blue and how many yellow? Looks like it's even Steven. That tells me 5 plus 5. Okay, boys and girls, you go ahead and you do these all on your own, and then I'm going to write in my answers and we can see if yours matches mine. Oh, I had a bad number there. Oh, I have to get my eraser. Oh, that looks like not equals 2. Did you have to erase as much as me? I bet you were done and you're sitting here waiting for me. Oh, look at this. Switch partners. There, did you and I match? I bet we did. If you did, go ahead and give yourself an A plus. Exclamation mark. Way to go. You can hit pause if I'm going too fast. Otherwise, we can turn the paper over. Now, here's another thing. If we would have been in class, we would have had our great big huge blue boards and our bag of 10s and 1s to complete this. Our directions say draw circles to show each number. Then write the 10 and the 1s under the circles. Complete the equations at the bottom. So we have 3 things to do. We fill in the circles to show 10 plus 1, and then we'd fill in the bottom 10 plus 1. And then when we're all done with all of these, we'll do these. So the next one is 12. So we know that we need a 10 group, right? Now, friends, with me trying to do it on the computer, it's hard to do circles. So you can do circles or you can do big dots if you want. And 2, we just have 1, 2. So we'd have to write down here 10 plus 2. Okay, you can go ahead, and we know that each one of these numbers is going to for sure need at least one 10 group. But I look here, my 3 is in the ones. And now I need 3. 10 plus 3. So keep on going. Sometimes, too, you can even do X's in the boxes if you need to. So here we even had to write the 10. 10 plus 4. Remember when we had done this in class before on our blue boards like this? We noticed that it looked like stairs, that our rows kept getting bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and all the way to the bottom. I remember the very first time when I gave you the bag and I said that you could only have the number of pieces in the bag to fill in your whole entire board, and you and a partner were working on it. And it took us a little bit, but eventually you guys got it all figured out that you had to use 10 groups. And we could not just use always ones. Okay. Oh, now I only have 2 empty boxes. That tells me I'm getting close to being done. 19. Only 1 empty box. Now this is interesting. 20. That means I need 2 groups of 10. But there's only 1 group here underneath the 2. So I'm going to have to add this one also as a 10 group. So now the number 20 actually has 2 groups of 10 and then 0 ones. That's good because I don't have any ones here. So 20 is 10 plus 10. Friends, when you're done with that, then you need to fill in these. These will be easy because you can look right up here for your answers. 14 equals 10 plus 4. It is right there if you need help. 15 equals 10 plus 5. 12 equals 10 plus 2 because you can see the ones right there. So that means 13. 10 equals 10 plus 3. 17 equals 10 plus, that's right, 7. 19 equals 10 plus 16 equals 10 plus, oh my goodness, you're so smart. And 18 equals 10 plus, you got it, you excellent mathematician. Way to go. Check for understanding. It says draw a group of 10 ones and some extras. Then tell your number. So friends, I'm not going to tell you your number, but you know that you need to do a 10 group. Remember, if you do 2 groups of 5, it's easier to count. And then add some more. It's up to you how many you want to add. And then tell your number. And I could have done it just by the number, or I could have done it by 10 plus 7. There you go, my friends. Excellent work today. Keep rocking on with your math. You're doing a great job.